How to draw the Pokemon Nidoran. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by drawing a long upside down skinny U shape. Nicely done. Now starting on the left hand side, we're going to draw a big oval-like shape connecting all the way over to the right hand side. What we're currently drawing is the first ear of Nidoran. In total we'll have two, but this one will be facing us and the second will be facing away. Awesome job! Now we're going to draw a big outline around everything that we just drew. We're going to make this outline with some sharp edges towards the top. Be sure to pause the video if you have any difficulty at all. If you enjoyed drawing Pokemon just like Nidoran, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist. The right side will come down to the same length as the left hand side. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now to the left of the first ear that we just drew, we're going to draw a sideways V-like shape. This will be the horn on Nidoran's head. We will connect this sideways V shape to the head by using a simple curved line. Now a little to the left, we're going to begin to draw the second ear. The second ear will not have anything in the center, it will just be plain because it will appear as if it is facing away from us. This will make a big difference when we're coloring in our drawing. The outline for the ear is a little difficult to make. We're going to use a lot of curved lines as well as straight lines and sharp edges. We're going to connect this ear all the way to the big ear that we first drew. Fantastic job! So far this is coming along very well. Now right below that V-like shape on the left hand side, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the front of the face. Nice job! Let's take a quick second to look back and see what we have done thus far. We have drawn two ears, as well as the inside of the first ear, the horn, as well as the outline of the face. Now let's move to the inside of the face and let's begin to draw the first and only eye. We'll only be drawing one eye today because of the positioning of Nidoran. On the inside of the eye, we're going to draw one line going up and down that is slightly curved, along with a small circle that is connected to the outside by using two small lines. Is there a Pokemon that you want to draw but you just have not been able to find it on YouTube? If so, comment it down below so that we can draw it for you. If you're not quite sure what you want to draw but you enjoy drawing every single day, then I highly recommend you consider hitting the subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post every single day. Next, we're going to draw a U underneath of the sideways V shape a little to the left. Now we will move below and to the right of everything that we just drew. We're going to begin to draw the back right leg of Nidoran. We're going to begin by drawing two sea-like shapes, one facing the other. The right sea-like shape will be a little bit higher than the left. Now in between what we just drew and the big ear to the left, we're going to draw three big shapes that look similar to upside down V's that are all connected. Now directly above what we just drew, we're going to draw a total of three more that are even larger. Now we still have some work to do on this side, but before we can continue, we have to hop over to the left hand side and we have to begin to draw the left foot along with the outline of the lower body. We're going to make this foot connect all the way over to the right leg that we previously drew. On the feet, we will draw the toes by using simple triangle cone shapes. Now to the left of the face, we're going to draw one triangle-like shape underneath of the mouth, along with two triangle-like shapes on the foot that we will draw next to the face. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. We still have some work to do. Back on the right hand side, underneath the right leg, we're going to begin to draw the right foot as well as the toes. Now last but not least, we can add in a couple small lines for detail. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw the Pokemon Nidoran. As I previously mentioned, we have more Pokemon drawings in our Pokemon Draw tutorial playlist. At the end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of this drawing colored in so you can pause it and match your colors. And if this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists and Pokemon fans can see it as well. Great job today, and I can't wait to draw with you next time. Hey there, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. If you enjoyed today's Pokemon art lesson, then click on the playlist down to the left. If you want to learn how to draw Pokemon collabo posts, then click on the video down to the right.